Against all odds, how food entrepreneurs are not deterred by the pandemic. It might be its white marble Haveli interior or the Lal Mans stacks on the menu, or maybe even the delectably plated javer, or maybe even the delectably plated caver in the end. But something about Vandra's Joshi house fools you into the thinking that the worst of the pandemic is over. Having come up where the iconic Pali village cafe once stood, Joshi house seems proof that perseverance can perhaps defeat all the parent. Restaurateur Soren Joshi says, the pandemic took me back to the square one, the position I was in a decade ago. I had to shut down Sukasa, a bar I opened in Bandra. All I had was goodwill and the name of shorts. Madhu Mitra shut down voting machine, claims BJP candidate as Bhawanipur voting begins. Minutes after voting started for the Bhawanipur bypoll on Thursday, BJP candidate for the high voltage election, Priyanka Tibrewal, was alleged that the TMC MLA Madan Mitra has deliberately shut down a voting machine at one of the booths. Madan Mitra was purposely shut the voting machine where as he wants to capture the vote. Tibrewal said during her booth visit on Thursday. The BJP candidate also said that the Bengal government is in fear. If people came out and vote, you will get to see the results, said Tibrewal. Polling began at 7 a.m. on Thursday for the elections by the Bhawanipur seat along with two other constituencies amid tight security and stringent COVID-19 measures. The bypolls are being held in South Kolkata, Bhawanipur beside Jangipur and Samsarganj seats in Murshidabad district. As a part of its elaborate security arrangement, the Elections Commission has deployed 72 companies of central forces in the three constituencies, of which 35 are stationed in Bhawanipur alone. Prohibitory orders under Section 144 of the CRPC have been imposed within 200 meters of the polling booths. UPSC 9th rank holder Dr. Apala breaks records in interview round. Dr. Apala Mishra, a resident of Ghaziabad, has become the household name in the last few days after securing 9th rank in the UPSC exam. Once again proved that on the strength of self-confidence you can win the whole world if you want. UPSC exam mark list was released on Tuesday night. Dr. Apala has made the record of securing the highest number of marks in the interview round so far. Actually, UPSC was the highest record of the securing 212 marks in the interview round, which was made last year. But Dr. Apala broke this record and scored 215 marks in the interview round and made a new record. Apala further said that the interview round is more important because it checks your personality skills as well as the presentation. Do the numbering wisely. Do not panic. Have faith in what you have prepared. Apala said that since his father was in the army, she had to prepare for it with much zeal. For many hours, she used to take information about the army from her father and understood things related to it. Apala's father, Amitabh Mishra, is a colonel in the army and elder brother Arik is a major. Mother Alpana Mishra is a professor in the Faculty of Hindi at Delhi University. Dr. Apala Mishra studied up to class 10 from the Dehradun and class 11 and 12 from Delhi.
জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.